is a automation I actually did for a friend. He does a lot of bookkeeping, and he had to rename his invoices all of the time, and he always renamed them in the same format, but he would have to like open the invoice, see what it was, rename it, and then move it into a different file. So I got him to set up the drive on his desktop, so he had like the desktop version of the drive, so he could just save the folder, save his files when he got them, got invoices directly into this folder that I set up for him. So he would save it into here, in the invoice files to be renamed, and then this is connects to NanoNets, which uses AI to analyze the invoice. So then it pulls out, like using this framework here that I set up, it uses AI, and it analyzes and gets all the names that it can pull out, like the invoice name, seller name, date, and all that stuff. And then I use utilities in Formatter, and basically what this did is it created a format of dates, because the one that I wanted to use that he wanted didn't exist. So I did pick from list, choose first, and then it basically just creates this year, month, day for me that wasn't in Zapier's pre-made ones. So then when I go to date and time, I can use the invoice date from NanoNets and then the output from step 3, which is that year, dot, month, day. And then what that allowed me to do is recreate a file here with the name that had the output, so the date in the right format, so the output from step 4, underscore the seller name, underscore the invoice, and then that's the invoice number, and then it would save into a file called renamed invoices, so that basically he would just save it in the invoice files to be renamed, and then this would run, and then it would pop into renamed invoices. So saved him quite a bit of time.